When do you say them? This is the fun part. Okay. You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. First thing in the morning, before you even pick up your phone, you say these affirmations. You say these I am statements. And you say them 10 times, 20 times, however many times you need to, you say them because you do not want a single negative thought to enter your mind first. This is where you have control. If you've read The Miracle Morning, that's exactly what they talk about. If you have to wake up 10 minutes early just so you can have that quiet time to really focus your mind and get ready for the day, prime or set your intention, your day will change. Okay. So the first thing in the morning, tell everybody around you, especially the people that are going to be in or next to you when you wake up in the morning, that you need this 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever it is time. You need this, and to not to just let you, no matter how hard it is, let you do this, and then let's get on with your day. This is crucial because, and obviously interruptions happen, but try to stick to this type of a flow where you wake up, boom, I'm reading my statements. I have mine typed out on a note card and taped to my nightstand. So as soon as I wake up and I turn off my alarm, my eyes are boom right there on them, and I say them. It's the first thing that I say. Next, at nighttime, it's the last thing that you say, and you tell everybody around you. Once I'm reading my statements, I'm done. Consider me in bed. I'm off limits. My brain is off. Okay. Say them and close your eyes. Don't scroll through Facebook. Don't open Twitter. I'm just gonna check one more thing. No. You read them and you close your eyes because this is where you set the intention for your day. Say them throughout the day as often as you feel that you need to, that you want to. And this is where the reprogramming starts. Prime example, when I was in Tulum, I walked out into that little beach area, into the water by the trees, whoever on a call was there. And I stood there kind of arms open into the sunlight, and I said them over and over and over. And what I was doing there was I was anchoring those words to a happy feeling. You guys follow me?
Yes.
Yep.
This is where you control the program. Now, if let's say that you are on a trip and everything is going bad, right? The flight went bad, the luggage lost, the room is crap, nothing is going right. There's a program being made in that moment, whether you like it or not, because you're going through that experience. This is a time where you are in a neutral state. You're not at a loss, negative. Everything's fine, but you are taking the opportunity to anchor a neutral, calm, positive feeling to those words. Because whenever you are feeling bad or you are feeling off, guess what? Say those words. And what are those words going to do? They're going to trigger a program. And what is attached to that program? A positive feeling. Are you guys following me now?
Absolutely.
Making sense? Now, when you say them during a negative feeling, you are going to attach those negative feelings to it as well. But as you are constantly doing it and you're doing it more in a positive state over time than a negative one, you will have more positive attachments to that program. It will not recall the negative emotion as strongly as the positive one. This is where your guys' power lies. This is where you are directing your brain, your mind, your subconscious of how you want to feel. And these words are your anchors. A lot. Embed the thought of how you want to feel tomorrow, the night before. This is why I say it's important that you read these and close your eyes and go to bed. Because while you're sleeping, your brain is manifesting the information that you took in throughout the day. By setting the intention right there late in the evening, I'm not leaving, but right before you go to bed, you are telling your brain, this is what I want you to focus on and function and think about while I'm resting and sleeping. Setting your intention. And people say, why in the morning? Why at night? So my question to you is how do you want to wake up? Do you want to wake up feeling refreshed, or like the guy on the right ready to smash the clock, right? And the difference really is your mindset, right? I know you guys are going to say, well, but what if somebody comes bursting into the room, or the phone is ringing, this and that? Yeah, all of those things are going to happen. Guess what? It happens to all of us. Question is what can you control in that situation? And that is your mindset. And not only can you control it by the first minutes of when you first wake up, but you can control it by embedding the seed of how you want to feel the night before. Is it starting to kind of dive in here?
Yes.
Okay. So I have noticed myself that I'm sleeping better, and I'm waking up, and my mornings are more intentional. The more that the longer that I keep doing this. Okay. Now, thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. And if you know anyone who could benefit from the information in my videos, please share it with them. Thank you again, and have a blessed day.